everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. I decided I better make an appearance. I don't think I made a video last week. I thought I'd make an appearance because I didn't want you to think that I was, you know, dead. I've been working on some things. One thing I'm working on is a wearable. And it's going to be a wearable. I just said that. It's going to be a mesh thingamajiggy. So I have quite a bit done. Isn't that beautiful? I love how let me see here. It's gray, it goes into black, and then it goes into a purple. This is beautiful. I love this yarn, and it is called, some of you may recognize it, because it is from Hobby Lobby? No. Oh, it is Hobby Lobby. It's Hobby Lobby. So Yarn Bee Sugar Real Cotton Honey. It's homemade. Look at the beautiful purple in there. This is the first ball, and I've got all this done already. Of course, it's a mesh stitch, so it's not a yarn eater. I love it. And I love this yarn. It's a 3-weight, 3-weight, 100% cotton. Perfect for the summer. And I love it. Did I say I love it? I would like every color they have. But I actually have a couple of colors in the other room. Yeah. So I have 3 of these. And like I said, this is the first ball. I still have quite a bit left on the first ball. So it might only take 2 balls. Okay, so it's in it. Maybe not even that much. I don't know. But anyway, what is it here? 5 ounces, 142 grams, 335 yards, 306 meters. Recommends a 4.5 millimeter hook. I'm using a larger hook. It's a 6 millimeter because I wanted more of a drape and a bigger stitch. Like here it is. Here it is. You know, I want it more open and more drapey and more flowy. That's that for now. And I'm also working on this junk journal based on crochet. Now I'm working on a cover. Like I'm going to do a tutorial, and I wanted it to be a cover that you can make for any book. And it's just a simple granny stitch is what I ended up using. And actually, I really like the granny stitch. I do. Do you guys like the granny stitch? Okay, I want to show you how this is going to go on. I'm using cotton yarn. It's a 2-weight cotton yarn. And I'll show you what it is in a second or 3. And I'm using a 3 millimeter hook. But you can use a thicker yarn if you want. And this one is cotton, 100% cotton. Okay, I'll show you the yarn in a sec. But this is how, oh, I'm all hooked up here. Of course I am. Okay, so this is how it's going to go on. Now, I'm going to make a border. Okay, there's going to be a border around here so that it fits. And that is the spine. And I have this dangly thing that I haven't connected yet. So just, yeah, it's longer than that. Anyway. And then it'll go around like this. So I'm just using 2 colors. And then it folds inside. This will be right inside here. And I'll just sew it on the sides to make it into a pocket where you can put the cover right into it, flip it on, and then you can take it off if you don't want it on there. It's turning out really nice. Yarn I'm using is Rainbow 8/4 quality, 100% natural cotton. This is from Hobie. Using the color white, which is number 2, and this beautiful blue, which is number 76. It's a royal blue, my favorite color, one of my favorites. And there are 50 grams, 1.75 ounces, 170 meters, 186 yards. It says number 1 weight on here, but I have some other colors that say it's a 2 weight. Yeah, that's the weightage there. Okay, what was I doing? 2.5 to 3.5 millimeters. So I use a 3 millimeter. And like I said, you can use a thicker yarn. You can use acrylic. It doesn't have to be cotton. So I have this much left. I'm almost done the cover. I've had this much left from a full ball and this much left of the blue from a full ball. I hardly used any of the blue. So I guess that's it. I have to go to DQ today. I have to go. You know why I have to go? Because the Hubs bought me a peanut butter cookie dough blizzard, a medium, on Sunday night. This is Tuesday. And there was no peanut butter in it. What? So, so the next day, which was yesterday, I phoned DQ. She says, oh, just come in and we'll give you a new one. So I said, thank you so much. And so I said, can I come in tomorrow, which is today, Tuesday? And there's a reason for that, and I'll tell you in a second. But she said, yes, I'm working till 5 on Tuesday. I'm going to go get that today. But the reason I wanted to go on Tuesday rather than Monday is because there's a thrift store not far from the DQ, and they're closed Mondays. So I'll go to the thrift store first, and I'll get my ice cream after. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And if I get anything good at the thrift store, do you want me to let you know? Do you want me to show you on my channel? I would love to. All right, we'll see what I can pick up there today. Okay, so I'll talk to you all as soon as I can. Thank you so much for being here with me. And I missed you guys. I missed talking to you guys. So yeah, that's why I'm so excited right now. All right, you guys, I'll see you all again as soon as I can. All right, thank you. Bye for now.